In this video I'll be comparing the latest modifications that I have done. These are custom tires, cotton glued Scramblers 1.0. Tires are the most important thing. Weight distribution. I've put the dual ESCs on the front axle and the BEC is on the front upper link. And last but not least, the knuckle weights front and rear. Take a look. And towards the end of the video I'll be giving you an overview. A walk around, whatever. A walk around the mini micro MOA rock crawler. Knuckle weights, not wheel weights. I used the bullets that came with the wheels, the Beadlock wheels 1.2. These are very nice wheels, and each wheel carries 6 bullets, and each bullet is 3.5 grams. So if that's what you like, these are very nice wheels. Knuckle weights, the advantage, that's what the pros do, is the more weight you have in the tire, the more weight you're wielding, the more force. And this force puts pressure on the motor, on the gears, on the bearings. And when you're doing extreme climbs, if you're going up a very difficult climb and you're digging, just the centrifugal force can throw you off the rock. So that's why MOA rock crawlers, or even Shafty Rock Pro rock crawlers, they use knuckle weights and not the wheel weights. That's the real reason. It's not that the car can't manage it. These little tiny 124 crawlers, they're extremely strong, but that is the sense behind working with knuckle weights. And I've just glued them on. They're easy to remove. I know it doesn't look good, but I have clearance, so there are no issues, and it works for now. Eventually I'm going to build custom tires using a 1.55 wheel, and then I don't know if I'm planning to use the Rock Grabbers 1.2. They're really good, but tiny. So I'll cut and glue them, or I'm even thinking about the Patagonias, which are very good for on the rocks, purely on the rocks. Now if you want to go off-road or dirt, everything is all terrain. I think the best is they're always out of stock. What's the name again? Can't think of it right now. Oh yeah, the Mod Slingers. Awesome tires. Purely on the rocks. The Scramblers do even better because the knob's a little smaller, which gives you more traction. Now the bigger the knob, it can cause vibration. I don't know, I'm not familiar with all the terminology. And so that's why the Scramblers and the Patagonias are the best 1.0 tires if you want to do purely rock crawling. The 1.55 wheel will give me more space to install real knuckle weights and heavier knuckle weights, and the bigger the wheel, the more space you have, and it'll be like inserted into the tire, into the wheel without touching it, and that'll be ideal. It'll give an excellent weight distribution. So I'm looking forward to that. So here it is. Yep, flex, not very much, but that's okay. Okay, so you see how I shaved the motor case, front and rear, gives a lot more clearance. That's where you had the lower front and rear links, and that's the spot that you will usually catch onto the rocks, so that's shaved away. I know it doesn't look clean, it looks crappy, but I don't care. It's gonna get scratched up anyway. Oh yeah, I've installed SEX stock shocks. Oh no, with the HR body, but the plastic rod ends, or whatever they're called. And I'm showing you the steering lever that I've extended. Squishy scramblers. And compare. You see how the rear tires look worse. That's the first ones I did. And cutting, gluing these miniature tires that have very, very thin walls is the most difficult tires I've ever done compared to 1.10. But the second set got better. The glue is gonna disappear in time, and yeah. I'm also going to eventually build rear upper links, but this is good for testing. Just the servo horn. Look how big. That's a 1.10 servo horn. The front lower links, brass. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. That's one thing I did. More weight and more clearance. And what else should I say? Yeah, that's about it. One more thing. Yes, this is something I need to fix. And I need to make the rear links stiff, more stiff, because they do give way too much. So that'll make a huge difference, because now that it has much more power, it'll twist the entire car. So that is what I'm going to make stronger. Thank you for watching.